Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 7, Packing, from book Beehive. So, Packing. The story is an extract from Jerome K. Jerome's novel, Three Men in a Boat. The narrator of the story and his two friends decided to go on a trip or holiday. The question of packing the things for the journey arose. The author thought that he was an expert in packing. Lai asked his friends George and Harris to leave packing on him. When he had finished packing, certain things remained out. He opened the bag again. In the same way, he had to pack and unpack time and again. The packing was still not complete. Harris and George undertook to do the rest of the job, but they were also not expert in packing. They damaged a number of things and did the job shabbily. At last, the packing was completely done by 12:50 in the night. They went to bed with the intention of waking up at 6:30 in the morning. Now let's see a detailed summary of this chapter, Packing. The author and his friends, Jerome K. Jerome and his friends, George and Harris, decided to go on a holiday. The author thought he was an expert in packing. He told his friends, George and Harris, that he would do all the packing. They at once agreed to his suggestion. George put on a pipe and sat in an easy chair. Harris put his legs on the table and lit a cigar. The author had no intention and had not intended this. He was unhappy with himself for having offered to pack. He had thought that Harris and George would pack and he would boss over them. When he worked and people around him relaxed, he was greatly irritated. At the same time, he could not sit still and see others working. He enjoyed getting up and supervising their work. The narrator started packing. It seemed a longer job than he had thought it was going to be. At last, he finished packing, but Harris told him that he had not packed the boots. He opened the bag and packed the boots in. Then, when he was going to close it, an idea came to him. He was not sure whether he had packed his toothbrush or not. So he unpacked the bag and took everything out but could not find the toothbrush. Then he shook everything one by one. At last he found his toothbrush in a boot. He repacked once more. Now George asked him if he had packed the soap. He decided not to do the packing again, but he found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in it. So he reopened the bag and repacked it, and Lai was able to complete the packing by 10:05 p.m. George and Harris said that they were not satisfied with the packing done by the author, Jerome. So they decided to do it themselves. But they created chaos while packing things. They started packing and breaking a cup. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. George trod on the butter. They put things and could not find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on the top and smashed the pies. Harris found butter sticking to the sole of the George slipper. He got the butter off the slipper and put it on a chair. Harris sat on the butter and it stuck to him. They started looking for it all over the room. Then suddenly George saw it on the back of the Harris. When they finally found it, they packed it in a teapot. Their dog increased the confusion. He thought lemons as rats and chased them. He put his leg in the jam bottle jar and spoiled it. At last the packing has completed by 10:50 and the three friends went to sleep with the intention of getting up early the next morning.